Welcome back. In this lecture, you will be making your very first program. So are you excited? Let's get started. Okay, so this is how a PyCharm interface is going to look like. If you install PyCharm on your computers, this is how it will look like. Now to start off, go to File and click on New Project. You can select the location of your project by clicking here, and you can select wherever you want, and you can change the name by replacing the text over here. We'll name it first because it is our very first program. You can name it anything you want, and our PyCharm will create a project location. All the files of your project will be saved in this first folder. Now after creating your new project, go to File again and click on New. And you can see options here. We'll click on Python file, and you can name your file. So we'll name it anything. Let it be program. Click on OK. And this is how our screen will look like. Now file name is program.py. If you noticed, every Python file will have the extension py. Okay, now to start coding. Now instead of printing hello world, we'll print game on this time because hello world is like boring. Everyone does hello world. So let's mix it up a little bit. So to print onto the screen, all you have to do is just go and type print. You can see that PyCharm has already done it for us. We just have to select from this drop down list, and inside the brackets or the parentheses, start double quotes, and we will type in game on. Okay, now to run this program, we'll go to the run menu and we'll click on run, and we'll select our program, and you can see the output here. This is where you will get the output in PyCharm. You can see that game on is being printed onto the screen. Now if you don't want to print game on, you want to print something else, all you have to do is just change the text inside these double quotes. Instead of game on, you want to print hello, and you can do that. All you have to do is just change the text inside the quotes. If you change the text to something else, if you change the text to carrots and hit on run here, you can go to run tab, you can go to run menu and select run, or else you can just click on this play button here and you can see carrots. So in order to print text in Python, all you have to do is just type in the print. Print is our keyword, and inside the two brackets, within two double quotes, we will enter our preferred text. Now if you want to print more text, you can use more print commands. For example, if you enter this line twice, we'll try running it again, and you can see that our carrots got print twice. Now if you want to do it again, you can just copy and paste the code and you'll get carrots 3 times. So whatever you want to print onto the screen, all you have to do is just use the print keyword, start two brackets, inside double quotes, type the text you want to print. It is simple as that. The best way to learn Python or any programming language is to practice more and more programs. So that is all about this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.